Hello and welcome back to the Green Footwear channel. Today we've got another custom boot of the week for you, but just before we jump into this pair, a little bit of admin. Our custom boot department is now closed for the rest of the year and will open up again in the new season. And if you're looking to get your boots resold for the festive season ahead and get some nice new trade for the adventures, we will be taking our last reselling orders on the 15th of November. So if you want this done, please go ahead and submit your boots. We would love to give you some new trade for the adventures ahead. So now that we've got the admin out of the way, let's have a look at this week's custom boot of the week. This week's boot is an AR8 in a two-tone tan leather. So as you can see here, the customer has chosen for a rough out vamp and a full grain counter. Now the two-tone upper does make for a good visual finish on this boot. But along with that, there are some practical reasons we believe this customer has chosen a rough out vamp. So when they're on their adventures out in the bush and their toe is getting a little bit scuffed or they've kicked a few rocks along the way, they'll be able to hide these scuffs within the rough out leather as opposed to the full grain leather. Now moving a little bit further down on the boot from the upper, we have a look at the sole. So now this customer has chosen for an EVA mini lug combo. Now the sole does give good traction, but it is a little bit less aggressive than our gym green lug sole. So to wrap it up, having a look at all the specs that the customer's chosen, from the rough out vamp to the mini lug and EVA sole combination, we can tell that this boot is in for a beating in the adventures ahead, but what a perfect boot to get it done. We cannot wait to follow this pair, see the adventures they head on, and as we mentioned earlier, we look forward to the day that they're back in our factory and are ready for a new set of soles. So let's jump into the factory and see how this boot is made.